Hello friends, warm greetings from Eglavi Academy. Today we are going to see the next 5 important questions in research methodology. These 5 questions are based on the types of research. Question 1. Black-Scholes model is example of basic research, applied research, empirical research, scientific research. The right answer is basic research. What is basic research? It is known as pure or fundamental research. The main objective of basic research is to extend the existing domain of knowledge about the certain subject or topic either in the physical form or in abstract form. Okay, some of the examples are relationship between the intelligence and creativity, then relative impact of factors like salary, work environment, reward system affecting the motivation of employees. Then the Black-Scholes model is also example for basic research. Question 2. A research which is based on observed data without the support of any theory. Pure research, applied research, empirical research, scientific research. The right answer is empirical research. What is empirical research? It is a research which is based on observed data without the support of any theory or model. For example, all the research about the heavenly bodies is based on data collected about their movement. Then the classical example of empirical research is the height, which means the relationship between the heights of father and son. Next one is a research which is conducted when there is no earlier theory or model is called exploratory research, casual research, pure research, empirical research. So the right answer is exploratory research. What is exploratory research? It is conducted to explore a problem in its initial stage. Okay. For example, a shirt manufacturer company sponsored a survey to find the percentage of executives purchasing different size of shirt. Okay. The interviewer was asked to record the sizes 36, 38, 40, 42, 44. The exploratory survey indicated that a good percentage of executives indicated the size as 39 and 41. Okay, these two sizes may be either imported or the tailor made. So this information led to change the questionnaire to include these options. Okay, so this is the example for exploratory research. Then question 4. Consider the example, the factors influencing the buying behavior of customers have to be done based on which type of research? Casual research, pure research, empirical research, formative research. So the right answer is casual research. What is casual research? The casual research is concerned with finding the root cause of a symptom. For example, in a company, if the sale of a product is decreasing or if the customers prefer a product over other similar products means they may like to know the cause of the problem. Okay, this is the example for casual research. Then the next one is time taken for declaring the result from last day of examination at the institute. It is the example of casual research, pure research, empirical research, normative research? The right answer is normative research. What is normative research? It is usually conducted while developing a product, a service, or system to assure whether the objective standard has been achieved or not. Okay. Thank you, friends. If you like my videos, please like, share, and comment. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it. For further updates, you can join in the Telegram group. The link for the Telegram group is provided in the description. Once again, thank you all.